Hello my dear friends, today I am going to explain you few examples related to non-exact differential equation. Non-exact differential equation. Non-exact differential equation means if given differential equation is as m dx plus n dy equal to 0, again where m and n be the function of x and y, then the given differential equation is exact if partial derivative of m with respect to y equal to partial derivative of n with respect to x. I discussed already these things, but if del m del y is not equal to del n del x, then given differential equation is not exact. Then the given differential equation is not exact. It not means that when we cannot solve this differential equation. What we have to do for because of the given differential equation is not exact, so we cannot solve. But there is one thing is that if I multiply this given differential equation by taking an integrating factor. Integrating factor means a factor, a coefficient which I use to multiply here, then the given differential becomes exact differential equation. Or you can say that one non-exact differential equation also equations reducible to exact form. We can say that equations reducible to exact form also. Equation I mean differential equations reducible to exact form. We are going to discuss that one. What is that one? How can I reduce this one to exact form? There is one and easiest way is that if m comma n, which is a function of x, y, be a homogeneous function. Homogeneous function in x, y. What is the meaning of this one? Means if f of x, y equal to given as x square plus y square plus 2xy. See that one here, degree is 2 here, degree is 2 here, and degree xy means degree is 2 here. This is called homogeneous function. If degree is same everywhere, here m and n, then the given differential equation is homogeneous function. Then the given function is called m and n be the homogeneous function. If it is homogeneous function, then easy to find the integrating factor. What you have to do? Why I am going to find the integrating factor? Because of integrating factor means a terminology, a coefficient term which I have to use to multiply in the given differential equation. Then automatically, if your calculation is correct, then automatically the given differential equation becomes exact. That's why. How we can do that one? If first of all check that one m and n be function of xy, which is function of xy, homogeneous or not. That means m is a homogeneous function and n is a homogeneous function or not. If m and n homogeneous, then we can find integrating factor. What does that means? Integrating factor. Integrating factor which I can use as if. If equal to mx, that means multiply m with x plus multiply n with y. It means that one if m and n homogeneous function and the given differential equation is not exact, for making the given differential equation in the exact form, what we have to do? We have to find an integrating factor which is given by this rule if equal to 1 divided by mx plus ny. What you have to do? Just write multiply m with x plus multiply n with y, simplify it, and then multiply this if to given differential equation. No need to check that one. If you multiply this integrating factor to the given differential equation, then automatically differential equation becomes exact. No need to check anything, my dear friends. What is the meaning of this one? I am going to explain you one by taking one example from ProQuest. Show that example will be asked like that one. Show that given differential equation is not exact and hence solve it. What is the meaning of this one? First of all, check that one. The given differential equation is not exact. If it is not exact, then how we can solve it? How we can solve it? How we can reduce this non-exact differential equation in the exact form? The example of that one is x square y minus 2xy square dx minus x power 3 minus 3 x square y dy equal to 0. This is the given differential equation. First of all, we need to check for the getting the solution of that one. We need to write m equal to here x square y minus 2xy square and n equal to 3x square y minus x cube. What you have to do? Just multiply, open by this minus. So this minus comes plus and this plus comes minus. So that's why I am writing like that one. Now write del m del y. Del m del y means x square minus 4xy and del n del x is 6xy minus 3x square. See that one? This one and this one is not same. That means del m del y is not equal to del n del x. So the given differential equation is not exact. Now, because of this one is not the solution, how can I solve this one? Hence solve means after getting that result, how you can reduce this differential equation in exact form. For reducing in exact form, first of all check that whether m is given in homogeneous function or not. So m is, see that one, degree 3 here, degree 3 here, degree here also 3, degree here also 3. It means that m and n, which is a function of functions of x, y, is homogeneous. Also this one is also homogeneous, so that for reducing this differential equation in the exact form, we need to write integrating factor. What is that one? 1 over mx plus ny. This is rule. Write that mx, m means here x power 3y minus 2x square y plus ny. That means 3x square y square minus x cube into y. Now simplify that. See that one, x cube y cancel, plus 3x square y square and minus. So it means that your integrating factor is x square y square. Now what you have to do, your integrating factor is this one. What you have to do, multiply this integrating factor to the given differential equation. This, after multiplication this integrating factor to the given differential equation, automatically you see that one, the given differential equation reduce in the exact form. So what we have to do? Now I am going to multiply this integrating factor to the given differential equation. Given differential equation is x square y multiplying by this one, x square into y square minus 2xy square divided by x square y square. That means in the given differential equation multiplying by the integrating factor. This is integrating factor. Dx minus x power 3 divided by x square y square minus 3 x square y divided by x square y square dy equal to 0. Now no need to check whether the given differential equation reduces in the integrate exact form or not, because of automatically, if your calculation is correct, automatically this will reduce in the, just simplify this cancel. So after cancellation we get 1 divided by y minus 2, this also cancel, 2 divided by x dx minus this cancel, x divided by y square minus x square cancel. So this comes 3 divided by y dy equal to 0. Now this one is exact differential equation. So no need to check whether it is exact or not. Just write the general solution. So general solution means integrate m with respect to x plus integrate n with respect to y. This is n with respect to y, leaving or cancelling, ignoring or deleting all x term if x term is involved in n. So x term is involved here, so cancel this one. So only this minus plus 3 divided by y dy equal to c. Now integrate it. 1 by y is constant, so it comes x divided by y minus 2 ln of x plus 3 ln of y equal to c. This is your general solution. You can write it by using some technique. Ln of x square plus ln of y cube equal to this one. This is your answer of this question. Hopefully, my dear friend, you understand this one. Next question of that one, example number 2, dy dx equal to x power 3 plus y power 3 divided by x square y square. Show that given differential equation is not exact and hence solve it. It means that one, even though we can solve because of this is homogeneous, we can solve by using homogeneous method, but I am giving condition that one. Show that given differential equation is exact and hence solve it. So you have to use the exact method, first of all reduce this one in exact form and then find that one. It means that one we need to calculate the m values and m values. So what you have to do, cross multiply. So this will come here, x power 3 plus y power 3 dx minus x square y square dy equal to 0, and calculate m. X power 3 plus y power 3 and n is equal to minus xy square. Now find del m del y. Del m del y means 3y square and del n del x means minus y square. So see that one, del m del y is not equal to del n del x, so the given differential equation is not exact. What you have to do, check whether m and n homogeneous or not. So degree 3 here, degree 3 here, degree 3 here, so that m and n, m comma n, which is a function of x y, is homogeneous. So find integrating factor by using this way, 1 divided by mx plus ny equal to 1 divided by mx. M means here, see that one, x power 4 plus y cube x minus plus ny, that means minus xy cube. So this cancel. So what is the remaining part? 1 divided by x power 4. Now multiply this integrating factor to the given differential equation and then write the general solution. So after getting that one, multiply this integrating factor to the given differential equation, we get, multiplying this integrating factor to the given differential equation, we get x power 3 divided by x to the power 4 plus y power 3 divided by x to the power 4 dx minus xy square divided by x to the power 4 dy equal to 0. Now automatically this will this becomes exact. So what you have to do, just simplify. 1 divided by x plus y cube, we can write it x to the power minus 4 dx minus y square divided by x cube dy equal to 0. Now automatically this one is exact, so no need to check that one. So just write general solution directly. So general solution directly means write m value here and integrate this one with respect to x directly. So y power 3 x minus this, treating y as constant, and see that one here x is involved, so no need to write anything, just write that one. 1 divided by x integration ln of x plus y power 3 is constant, x to the power minus 4 minus 3 divided by minus 3 equal to c, or you can write it ln of x minus y cube divided by 3x power 3 equal to C. This is your answer of this question. Hopefully you understand this one, my dear friends. Another and very good question related to that one is, next example, show that the given differential equation is exact, not exact, and hence solve it, is x dy dx plus y square divided by x equal to y. First of all, see that one. I cannot observe that one whether it is homogeneous, linear or what. So because of I am asking, show that the given differential equation is exact, non-exact, and hence solve it. So it means that one we have to check, we have to write m and n values. So for that one, see, dividing, suppose that this is one, dividing it by x, what I get? Dy dx plus y square divided by x square is equal to y by x. And now replace this one. This means simplify this one. For getting the values of m and n, write it like that one. Dy dx is y divided by x minus y square divided by x square, and simplify. So this becomes now dy dx equal to x square y minus y square x divided by x power 3. So see that one here, x power 3. So see here, I can use by again cross multiplication. After using cross multiplication, this comes now x square y minus y square x dx minus x power 3 dy equal to 0. Now see that one, m equal to x square y minus y square x and n equal to minus x power 3 dy. Now check what is del m del y. Del m del y is x square minus 2xy, and del n del x is minus 3x square. See that one, del m del y is not equal to del n del x. So the given differential equation is not exact. Since del m del y is not equal to del n del x, so the given differential equation is not exact. Then what we have to do? Just we have to write integrating factor. So what is integrating factor? 1 divided by mx plus ny equal to 1 divided by mx. M means here x square y. So x cube y minus x square y square plus ny. N means here minus. So that means minus x cube y this. So this and this cancel. So remaining part is 1 divided by x square y square with negative. Now multiplying this integrating factor to the given differential equation. Multiplying this integrating factor to the given differential equation, we get like x square y divided by minus x square y square minus y square x divided by minus x square y square dx minus x power 3 divided by minus x square y square dy equal to 0. Now simplified, this cancel, y square cancel, x this one. So what is remaining part? Minus 1 divided by y minus plus. See that one, x by this, so 1 by x dx minus plus x divided by y square dy equal to 0. So see that one, this one is correct. Now after multiplication of the by integrating factor to the given differential equation, automatically this differential equation become exact, because of we are going to study non-exact differential equation, or you can say that one equation reducible to exact form. So that automatically this one is non-exact differential equation. So what you have to do? You have to write the general solution. General solution means integrate m with respect to x, treating y as constant, and integrate n, leaving or cancelling or deleting or ignoring all x terms. So x term is involved, so cancel this one, equal to c. Now integrate it, minus 1 by y x plus ln of x equal to c, or you can say that one, ln of x minus x divided by y equal to c. This is your answer. This is your answer, my dear friend. So hopefully you understand this is about the non-exact differential equation. Hopefully you got benefited from that one.